Alrighty, so we are trying to graph equations when we are given a line. So let's say we had 2x plus 1. Okay, so this form is really helpful because it's in this form known as y equals mx plus b. Okay, um, that specific name is called slope intercept form. And it's because we have our slope right here. This letter M is our slope, and intercept is right there. So that's where the word slope intercept comes from. And before I make it more formal, what I usually tell my students is that the M tells me how the graph moves, and the B stands for where to begin. Okay. So if I have my uh, graph right here, the B is looking like this. Okay, so the B is on the y-axis. Remember, the y goes up and down, and whatever is in the spot of the B is going to be somewhere on this straight up and down line. Okay, so my B value is 1. It's in the place of B, so that tells me to begin at 1. So I'm going to put a big 1 right here, a big point at 1. Okay, that tells me where to begin. Then the 2, that is in the move spot. Okay, so 2 is telling me how to move. When it says move 2, really what we need to remember is that is technically, this is slope, and slope is rise over run. So it's not in a fraction form right now. It's just 2. So I really want to write this as um, 2 over 1. Now, since it's in that 2 over 1 form, since it's a positive 2 and a positive 1, what that really means is I need to move up 2 and right 1. If they were negatives, that would be left and down, okay, depending where it is. The rise is on top, the run is on bottom. So I'm going to go up 2 boxes, 1, 2, right 1. Boom, right there. So what's nice about lines is all I need is 2 points. I don't need any more than that, but I can keep going. Up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1. Again, you only need 2, so I'm just going to stop there, and I'm going to draw my straight line. And that is how you graph an equation. Now, to make this more formal, we need to know that the begin, it's really called also, this is the y-intercept, and it has this form. Notice my y-intercept, this coordinate right there, is 0, comma 1. And what I need to know is that the y-intercept is always at the point 0, comma, the letter B. Okay, that's again what we need to think of is the B on this y-axis.